Hello everyone, it's Lindsay, and today I am finally getting a chance to sit down and do an unboxing of the newest kit from ByTheWell4God. She did send this to me as well as some other goodies, but I just love her kits and what she's putting out there, so definitely check out her shop if you haven't already. So the Revival kit is a devotional kit. Everything comes in this fun little reusable pouch so you can store everything together. That's kind of how I like to keep my kits together, or in these, and then I just stand them up in a box, and that's how I organize all of my kits. I think that this kit is probably my favorite. It is so stinking adorable. So let's start with the devotional. It is a 14 entries in the devotional, but you can stretch it out over a full month. So if you do like a day of devotion, reading the devotion, meditating on it, and then spend the next day Bible journaling, you could get 30 days or 28 days out of the devotional content. And this devotional is surrounded around the idea of revival and revival in the church. And this is so timely for me and what we're going through with our church, and just a lot of struggles and in need of revival. And so I'm so excited to dig into this devotional and go through it. It makes me think of some songs by Ren Collective. She references a Chris Tomlin song. So this will be a fun one to maybe turn on some worship music and sit down and work through your devotional and dive into your Bible. I am so excited. And can we just talk about the graphics of this kit? That is so stinking cute with the llamas and the glitter and the teal and the pink, like all of my favorite things all together. The geometric, I've been all about that lately. So fun. Here I have the die cut pieces, and I just picked up one of these little boxes from Michael's to keep my die cuts in. And so you've got some phrases and then tons and tons of adorable little llamas. Like, are you kidding me? Like, they're so cute. And then again with the teal and little splashes of glitter. You could even go in with a glue pen and add some glitter to give it a real shine. That might be something that I do in a video here soon, show you how to add glitter to these elements. These pieces are fun. This could be a tab, or put it on the edge of your Bible page so it looks like it's hanging off. Again, loving the pink and the little splashes of glitter. Tons of tabs. I cannot wait to dive into this kit. I have been sitting on it for a few days because I've been really sick and just could not wait to dive in, but I wanted to do an unboxing video before I started tearing it apart. Look how cute the cactus is. Little like cotton candy tree with glitter. And these graphics are adorable and perfect for the month of February. You're gonna be able to use some of your kits and products from Valentine's Day themed, but this isn't like over the top hearts and lovey-dovey Valentine, but you've got those pops of pink. Look how gorgeous this floral is. I need about 50 billion more of this piece right here. And another little tree and these little llamas. So cute. Tons of tabs. I mean, I cannot get over. This is hands down my favorite kit. I love it and cannot wait to dive into the devotional. We've got paint swatch cards, so you get 5 little dollops of watercolor paint, and I have kind of swatched them out. They are pinks and teals in different intensities that match the colors in the kit. So if you just take a wet paintbrush and activate the paint, then you can go ahead and just paint with this on your page, and there's actually plenty of paint there to do several pages, and kind of gives you an idea of what colors that you like. So if you want to order a full tube of watercolor paint, then you can kind of get an idea of which ones that you want to pick up, because these are pretty expensive, high quality artist grade watercolors. So this is a great way to play around with high quality watercolor and get an idea whether it's for you or not. So you've got that. We get 3 sheets of clear stickers this month. You've got this one here that's got the faux washi. Now this does not tear like washi tape, but you can just cut it out with your scissors. I love this print here with like the floral and lots of florals here, the little llamas and revival, so pretty. And then you've got this sheet that's got some big words and then some floral pieces. And these are all on clear sticker paper. So you can stick these down on the page and they just meld right in with your Bible pages. And they typically don't cover the words. Words like this that are black will cover the text in your Bible, but something like this, you can still see the text through if you place it over the text. So that's one reason I love working with clear label paper. You've got that cactus, that really beautiful floral, some fun mountains, little llamas. So cute. And then you've got 3 tip-ins with some verses in Ezekiel, 1 John, and Matthew, and with some fun, different, I like that they're all very different. So you're gonna know that those pages go together if you use these, but it isn't super similar as you flip through your pages. They all have fun graphics on them, and then on the back, if you wanted to create a little hinge and a tip-in, you could take your notes, do your journaling or your prayers on the back of these. Love the quality of her printing. You get really good color intensity and vibrancy with what she prints these on, so I like that. So you've got those. You've got a set of alphas in this super fun print with little pops of glitter and teal and pink, and it's a little bit different font than we've seen before, a little more fun and whimsical, and you've got some little hearts down here. So cute. And then you've got the stamp set here, of course, with your llamas and your car. I'm going to show you some stamp masking techniques to kind of get this image out of these stamps, so stay tuned, that'll be in a future video. And then you got the word revival, so if you wanted to stamp the word revival on each one of your entries, then you'll know they all kind of go together. You got this fun little scribbly flower and then some hearts. You've got your tabs. I feel like there was 3 and maybe I lost one. Maybe there's just 2. Pink and teal with the title of the devotional kit, and then a verse from Psalm 96. These would be fun to hang on your mirror or put in your car, put in your kid's lunchbox. So don't be afraid to use those up as well. So fun little tags there. And then you get the 2 little flare pieces. So this one says, "Hear the word of the Lord, come alive and go." And I wanted to show you how I use those. So I like to attach them to my fabric clippies and just have some extra flair on top of my Bible. It does make it kind of chunky and kind of heavy, but you could attach it to your Bible bag, attach it to, if you've got a fabric Bible cover, your kids' backpacks, anything like that, you can use these for that. So there are those. And then I also have some samples of the Faber-Castell Pitt brush markers and Neocolor 2 crayons in colors that'll match the kit. So I will have these up over on my blog. If it's not tonight, it'll be tomorrow. These will be up there so you can take a look at which ones coordinate with the kit. Lori always runs a sale on the big brush pens, so definitely check that out, and you can pick up the colors that match the kit. So there is everything that comes in the kit. You can find the link down below to where you can pick it up for yourself, and it's no longer pre-sale, which means you don't have the stamps. Normally you could have a couple stamp sets that you pick up at a discounted price. That's no longer going. I was a little late to the party, but she does have some great stamp sets available. You can go check that out. And then I did want to show you one more little thing that she sent me as an extra goodie, and I had looked at these and didn't really think I needed it in my life, but I'm so glad she sent it because I am so excited. So this is a binder. I believe these are from Simple Stories. Yeah, Simple Stories. Just a couple different colors, and it's just a fun, pretty binder, but it comes with a variety of sized pocket inserts, and the ones that are in the front here are perfect for your smaller stamp sets that come with your Illustrated Faith kits. So I've got those in there. My Creative Retreat kit stamps fit in here perfectly in these little 4x1s. And then I'm going to use my fuse tool to make more of the 4s instead of 2s, but you could very easily insert one of your 4x6 stamp sets. Let me just pull one out. So these are the messy marquee letters from By the Well. I believe these are still available, so you can go find those over in her shop, and those will fit perfect 2 to a page in this binder. So if you're looking for a way to store your stamps and you're just having a hard time figuring out what works best for you, maybe give this a try, one of these binders. It does come with some inserts, and I know you can buy the inserts separate if you want to put more in there. I'll probably use my fuse tool to make these either 2x or 4x, depending on what I need. So definitely check that out. She has that available over in her shop as well. If you have not checked out her shop, go check it out. She has so many fun goodies for Bible journaling and just crafting and that kind of thing. So definitely go check her out. Check out my blog post when it is up. I'll have those pictures of the coordinating products. And leave me any questions down below. Leave me a comment. Let me know how excited you are for this kit, or if you've already picked it up for yourself. Give this video a thumbs up if you are loving the theme this month, and subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. And until next time, thank you so much. Bye-bye.